Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So click and hold on your home screen, then tap on widgets. And right now we can pick widget that you want to apply on your screen. So I will take the weather. Click on it once, and right now we can choose different theme of this widget. So I will take the first one, click to add. You have to add your location. I did it, and right now I can choose by tapping here, and as you can see, widget appears on the screen. When you click and hold it, you can change size of that widget by moving with this blue dots. When you click here, you can leave that change size, and you can move your widget for another screen. Just like that. As you can see, it's very simple. If you want to remove that widget, click, hold, and then tap right here. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.